The OPPO Find X9 and Find X9 Pro will debut globally on October 28. Tipster Digital Chat Station has shared what is claimed to be the latest render of the OPPO Find X9. OPPO is moving away from the large circular camera module seen in previous generations, like the Find X8 and Find X7 series. The Find X9's render reveals a rectangular camera housing placed at the top left corner, which is expected to make the phone appear more balanced and elegant. The OPPO Find X9 has a thickness of 7.99 mm, and its weight will be under 210 grams. OPPO Find X9 front design revealed, sports narrowest bezels on all four sides. The Find X9 will feature a 6.59-inch. This screen will offer a 1.5K resolution, symmetrical bezels, and a modern, flat design for improved usability. It will also include an ultrasonic in-display fingerprint sensor. The device will be powered by MediaTek's Dimensity 9500 SoC, up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, up to 1 TB of UFS 4.0 storage. On the rear is a 50MP main camera with OIS, using Sony's Lisha LYT808 sensor, a 50MP ultrawide using Samsung's ISOCELL JN5 sensor, and a 50MP periscope telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom. A 50MP camera using Samsung's ISOCELL JN1 sensor for selfies. The Find X9 will house a massive 7025 mAh battery. Support 80W wired and 50W wireless charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.